everyone. I'm Robyn Zimmerman, and this is Talk of the Town. We have Jimbo Buser with us. As you know, he is the owner of the SportsAddiction. Been in business over 20 years in this area, and now he's at Okatie Village. And then also the Old Town Bike Barn in Bluffton.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yeah, been good.
How are you doing?
Doing great.
Good, it's good to see you.
Yeah.
It's been hot, but people are still giving you business.
I think they can stay cool on a bike. That's what I'm finding out, I guess.
The beautiful thing about this area is it's flat.
Yeah.
So biking,
yeah.
People come to Hilton Head, Bluffton because they can bike, because it's flat. And they can go all over the place.
Beautiful beach to ride, beautiful trails, beautiful, even in Bluffton. Right. I mean, the bike paths are getting better and better.
So you mentioned beach.
Yeah.
So there are certain bikes for the beach, right?
Oh, yeah.
Or can you take any bike on the beach?
I mean, you can take any bike, but obviously now they're doing just 7-speed bikes, and the full aluminum frame and alloy wheels. That's kind of what you want on the beach. I mean, you have to maintain them and spray them down and keep them, but they're definitely a lot better off now than they were, say, 30 years ago.
All right. Yeah. So your businesses are in the rental, in the purchase. You're also in pickleball, other fitness equipment.
Yeah.
You've got it all, basically.
Yeah, bicycle sales, bicycle service. We repair any bike, anytime.
Repair, right.
Our saying is we sell the best and fix the rest.
I love it.
Pretty good.
We sell the best and fix the rest.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say I have a bike and I have a sedan. There's no way I can get it to your shop. Will you come pick it up?
Oh yeah, we do pick up and delivery. Yeah, we pick up and deliver anywhere, anytime.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay, that's good to know.
Yeah.
All right.
Same
even
with
on
the
Hilton
bike
Head,
rentals.
even though you're Bluffton?
Oh yeah, not a problem. Yeah, because we're Old Town Bike Barn's only just 5 minutes over the bridge in Old Town, so it makes it convenient for people on Hilton Head to go there, and we have a lot of people from Hilton Head come out to the.
Do you have a good team, a good staff?
Yeah. So I mean, that's the reason you come to a bike shop instead of going to a department store, because we're gonna find out what kind of riding you want to do. We're gonna find 2 or 3 different bikes that are gonna work for you, that fit to you properly. That's what we're gonna do. More people want to be upright, sitting upright, and more comfortable these days than they were. And then years ago, when I say 20, 30 years ago, there was just mountain bikes, road bikes, and hybrids. Okay, now there's all this stuff in between. And electric bikes. Electric bikes have gone crazy.
Well, my grandson because he's 15 and all his buddies have electric bikes.
Yeah.
But he ended up getting an electric scooter, and I wasn't real happy about that.
Yeah, it's almost like,
But they have big tires.
Right, big fat tires and electric scooters,
But why are electric bikes so popular now?
It just allows, people think, well, it's cheating or whatever, but it just allows people to
go further distance?
Go further distance, get out there. They got pedal assist, so you can just do pedal assist, or you can, if you get tired, you can throttle home or whatever. But it just allows people to do what, when you learn to ride when you're 5 or 4 or 5 or 6, what's the first thing that happened to you? It was freedom.
Yeah,
okay?
Right, you just go.
You just go. So some people haven't ridden a bike
in a long time.
For 30, 40 years, and when they get out there and ride at the store or test ride, it's freedom.
Yeah.
I mean, they're like, wow. And then, so the electric bike helps that out too.
So what do you enjoy about being in business, this type of business, Jimbo?
That right there, just making people happy.
Yeah.
And then, getting them the right product at the right time in their life, or whatever bike they want to get, and then repairing. Somebody coming in with an old bike and they've had it for 30 years. They don't want to get rid of it. They don't want to buy a new one. They want to fix it up. They want to get more upright. We can do all that. We can change the handlebars, move the stem.
Oh, wow.
So stuff like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Well, we have about a minute left, and you wanted to talk about something coming up in October.
We got the regatta again coming up. Yep, end of October.
Year.
Yep.
50 boats for 50 years.
That's what Joe Tobin's dream was, and it's going to happen. Last year was a great event. It turned out really well. So this year, the end of October, the last weekend in October, they're going to have, the Friday and Saturday, the big race. And Bill Herb Kurzman has got him a big grant this year. PRT.
Parks, Rec, and Tourism.
Yeah, big.
That's
great. That helps out. So it's going to be.
So put it on your calendars. It's the end of October.
And we're going to bring Tobin in here and talk about it.
You'll be back.
Yeah, because our stores are very involved with that, Old Town Bike Barn Adventure. So
very good.
And I have my boat business, so
that's right.
That's why I'm really into that too.
Well, thank you so much for being on Talk of the Town once again.
Thanks for having me.
Don't be shy.
I know, right?
Don't be a stranger.
Absolutely.
But you'll be back talking about the regatta. And thank you so much.
Yeah, thank
Jimbo Buser with SportsAddiction and the Old Town Bike Barn in the Bluffton, Okatie area. We'll be right back.